Hello guys, LifeHackster here, just a quick video today. And this is an update video for my Eufy Cam 3C. But before diving into that, last week I made an update video about my Eufy Cam 3, which I scraped off the flaking of the clear coating of its solar panel. Also, thank you guys for the comments and recommendations on what to do instead of leaving it there. And I'll be testing your recommended products pretty soon because I have some solar lights too that need some scraping, or probably sandpaper in this case. But this will be on another video. Also, Eufy reached out to me about this issue and they have known about this and have already changed the solar panels or the coating of their panels on their cameras. I know the S220 has this rubberized texture on its solar panel, which I think this is also the one used in the newer Eufy Cam 3s. With that out of the way, let's check out my Eufy Cam 3C. I've used this camera ever since I reviewed it almost a year and a half ago, and I will link that video down below. I have installed this in my side yard, and the best setup for this camera so that you don't have to take it down to charge it is to hook it up to a solar panel. But at that time, Eufy hasn't updated or doesn't have a solar panel yet for their USB-C cameras. So I bought this 4-watt solar panel from Amazon, which is compatible with Eufy cameras that have a USB-C port. And I actually have also tested Ring's USB solar panel, and it also works with the Eufy Cam 3C. And for a cleaner looking install, I also bought this Wasserstein 2-in-1 gutter mount, which, as you can see, I actually bought 2 of these 2 years apart. Anyways, this gutter mount, aside from being a gutter mount, which I actually made a video on this about a month ago, and I also will link it down below if you haven't seen it yet, but this can also be a wall mount. They borrowed this design idea from Ring, or I'm not sure which one did it first. But you can unscrew the camera and solar panel mount from the gutter mount itself. Slide it out and unscrew these 2 screws. Now, this is the mount bracket that you can now install in your wall, or in my case, my fascia board. And you only need 2 screws to install the solar panel and the camera. What I like about the solar panel, just like Eufy's solar panel, is the cord management. It just easily loops around behind the panel. I have no issues with its setup. Now, to be honest though, this camera is barely activated in my side yard because we barely go here. Except when I mow, which I just started again after winter, or when I do my weekly duty. So the camera is topped off 100% charged ever since I installed it. This is a set it and forget it setup, a solar charged Eufy Cam 3C, and with a mount, it just needs 2 screws to install both camera and solar panel. So a cleaner looking install. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.